go what? More.
Make it more. What is up, you guys? Happy New Year! I'm a little late to the game, but Happy New Year, you guys. This is my first video of 2022. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and give this video a big fat thumbs up. Today, you guys are going to be getting ready with me and my good friend Amanda. And the crowd goes wild! I know you've been eating this, baby. We asked for them to bring up wine glasses to the room, but they're taking forever and we have a reservation coming up. Cheers, babe. Cheers. She's good. She's really good. They just bought the wine. I got them here. Thank you so much. You too. So...
Was he scary?
I don't know.
Let me see this.
Rinse it out. Are we transferring?
Yeah.
We're transferring? We're transferring?
I was a bartender in my past life.
Totally believe you, babe.
Yeah.
Now we can actually cheers!
Alright, so we're just gonna get into this.
I'm totally taking the YouTube voice.
Okay, great. Okay.
So I'm gonna start off doing my brows. Not sure what Amanda's starting
I'm
with.
starting with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I like that. That was fun. No, do you really want some? It's really good.
I do. What does the primer do?
You think I use products? I know what it is.
This actually feels really good going on though.
So I don't like putting makeup on my skin, so I use this plate.
Oh, you're really fancy. Really fancy.
I just try my best to get it from the girl that I follow. Her name is Kianna Zhane.
Oh, darling. All right.
First question of the day.
You gonna start it off?
No, I don't know what.
Would you date a rich guy that has absolutely no time for you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or would you date a poor guy?
Rich guy. But yeah, rich husband. You want the poor one? Let me find out you're that girl.
No. I don't know. I'm trying to think. I don't know because I'm very kind of emotional. Like I need you to be here with me. Like
yeah, no, I'm not.
So
what's your sign?
Pisces.
Pretty
feisty.
If there is one thing in the world that you want at this very moment, what is it, or what would it be? You want this, like this is what you want. It could be whatever, like material, non-material, whatever. What do you desire the most at this moment?
A fully renovated home.
Agree.
Like to the T, like how I would want it to be renovated. Fully renovated. Not just a home, but
like
a fully
house.
like a house, but a fully renovated house. Like
Everything is
tall ceilings.
yes.
Floor to ceiling windows.
Where are you moving to?
For foundation today, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Looks like this. I have the shades Rich Ginger and Maple. Is literally like 5N1 and 5N1.5.
I'm going in with the NARS. The girls that know, they know.
I want to try your concealer.
Which one?
The one that you use.
Born This Way?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I love Born This Way foundation. What shade is this? Warm Sand? Might be
That's
a little too pink for
no,
me.
it's not pink. But you're red, so
Actually,
that looks
this is
beautiful
really
on
nice.
you.
Oh
What is my color? I think I don't know my colors.
This is really nice.
Go ahead, babe.
Okay.
All right.
I didn't even set my concealer.
You're just letting the wine take you away. Huh?
Yeah, drinking is just...
Hey, time check.
Don't drink, kids. 44.
Did we tell them where we're going? We're going...
Where are we going, Amanda?
We're going to have dinner. Kianna, what are we going to have dinner at?
Tell. Downtown or uptown? Is it downtown or uptown?
Downtown.
Downtown. Okay, I'm gonna give you two people really quickly. Okay.
Shoot me, baby.
Little Durk or Young Thug? Like
Lil
which one
Durk. Lil Durk.
you would take?
You know why? You know why though?
Actually, whoa, that's a hard one.
Whoa, wait.
That's a hard
Wait, you know what? No comment.
one. Okay.
Because I want to be your first, but that
Okay.
doesn't mean anything. Please leave me alone.
Okay.
But I choose Lil Durk because he's very sweet looking off Instagram. I'm going off an Instagram post. We don't really know the man in real life.
He's not sweet looking on Instagram. Though.
No. Like what he does for his lady is very charming.
He's romantic.
Yeah,
okay.
I think I'm into that. Although I have no feelings, I think I am into that.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you.
Do not say El Chapo. If you say El Chapo, I'm gonna slap you dead
I'm
ass.
not gonna say El Chapo.
She is in love with El Chapo. I don't know what her issue is.
I'm in love with his. I just love, you know?
You don't.
Yes, I do.
You don't even love anybody. All you want somebody to do is just buy you flowers.
That's all I want. You know, Ian makes jokes about that all the time. He told me, in order to get flowers, just die February 13th. Oh my God. Okay, I have this. I may say his name wrong, so I'm sorry. Idris or Michael B. Jordan. Good luck picking. They may watch your video one day and see this. And you may lose out on a friend.
Michael B. Jordan or Idris Elba?
Yes.
You're gonna be shocked. Shocking, actually.
I'm not.
Idris me, baby. Idris.
You like
He's just like, yeah, he's like, he knows what he wants, you know? Michael B is like totally dating my good sis Lori, even though Idris is married. I would prefer, you know, older the berry, the darker the juice.
I thought it was the sweeter the juice, baby.
Yeah, I'm saying darker the juice. What is wrong with me?
You know, I know that saying.
But yeah, I definitely would probably do Idris. My turn.
Go ahead.
I'm
choosing Michael B, by the way.
You're choosing Michael B.
His birthday is one day after mine. That's the only
That means absolutely nothing.
I think that's beautiful.
Okay. I got one for you.
All right. Not the giggle. Not the giggles again. I'm stepping out of camera.
I don't want to hear nothing about me using hair glue for my eyelashes because the girls that get it still have eyelashes. Eyelash glue will literally tear your eyelashes out.
And I don't know why you use that.
Hair glue never tears my eyelashes out. Okay. I am going to give you Omarion or Tyga?
You just violated me. I gave you Idris, Michael B. Jordan. You gave me
Omarion or Tyga?
Omarion. Tyga is like a what? Omarion. Lord, I'm
You would really choose Omarion?
Omarion's it's a handsome man.
He is handsome.
And like very like he looks like he.
Okay, let's just not
he
go there.
looks like. I'm sorry. Kids exit. Little Baby or G Herbo.
G Herbo. Little Baby is just out.
Do you think people want Little Baby?
The girls want Little Baby, okay? The girls really want Little Baby. Y'all need to just leave Jada Man alone.
Although he has a little baby at home, the girl still wants him.
He got a few little babies at home. Don't he have 2 kids?
Yes. I think one is.
I think G Herbo.
I chose G Herbo. I'll choose G Herbo.
Okay, well, in what instance are we talking here? Like
being the girlfriend.
Oh, we should do F, marry, or kill.
Oh, good one. Okay.
I'm going up first.
Okay, go.
Let's think about this.
That's 3 people we have to think about. I could better think about 2.
Let's think about this. Sip some wine. Cheers with me. New game.
All right.
F, marry, kill. Future, Trey Songz.
That was good. So far.
And Chris Brown.
Kill Chris Brown.
You.
Over it.
He makes amazing music. Anything with Chris Brown on the track is a hit.
I love Chris Brown.
But
I'm killing you, bro.
okay, so
I don't want to deal with you.
You're killing Chris Brown.
You know why I'm killing him? Why does all his ex-girlfriend look the same?
Because he has a type. It's okay.
You gotta go. That means you could just go. Just go. I will marry Future.
You're a psychopath.
I'm killing Chris Brown, marrying Shay Songs. Chris Brown, if you're from LA, I don't have to say nothing.
I'm anti-Future.
No, you're just not equipped to him. I can deal with him. You know how you deal with him? Guess how you deal with him?
How do you deal with him?
You don't really deal with him. I'm skipping 80 steps because I'm intoxicated, but whatever. Ready? Young and man. Little baby.
Put a bad taste in my mouth.
And Young Thug.
Young and May, Little Baby, and Young Thug.
Yes.
I'm gonna kill Young and May. I'm gonna.
You don't like Young and May?
Oh.
Oh.
I'm trying to think. Oh, I got it. Okay, scratch that.
Yeah.
Scratch that. New game plan. F Young and May. How am I even supposed to do this? F Young and May.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be gay for a day. No, F Young and May.
You took my answer. Who are you killing?
Kill Little Baby.
That's my answer.
Marry Young Thug. That's what it's gonna be, cause I just can't.
I just can't either.
Little Baby, I think he would be like cool as a friend, but like relationship.
No,
wise, I
he'd
don't
be
think
a
so.
great friend.
Okay, I got one for you.
Great, go ahead. Your giggles scare me.
The who should scare you. Totes. Okay. RuPaul.
You're laughing.
RuPaul.
Who is that?
Google RuPaul.
Hey Siri, who's RuPaul?
Okay,
McGlad.
never mind. You don't know who that is. You're supposed to know who that is.
I don't know.
The girls know who that is.
Is he an ugly man? You started laughing really fast.
But he is very funny.
It's a girl?
Something like that.
No, hey Siri. Who's RuPaul?
RuPaul Andre Charles, known anonymously as RuPaul, is an American drag queen,
I'm marrying him.
You good.
Quick. That's my husband.
No, I'm changing it up because you didn't know. You had to search for it. Drake,
Okay.
Carmelo Anthony,
Uh-oh.
LeBron James.
Kill him, LeBron James. You're dead.
Why?
Drake. Oh, marry him.
You're crazy.
Let me get these things.
Okay, your turn. Give me something good, baby.
Alright.
Give me something good.
Alright.
Make it good.
Let's see. I have for you.
We didn't do our dance. 1, 2, 3.
Alright. DJ Khaled.
We the best.
We the best.
DJ Khaled.
DJ Khaled. Meek Mills. No. Meek Mill. Let me think. Nah, I got it. Let me just remember these people's names in real life because I don't pay attention to people. Meek Mill. Meek Mill. Nas. And Nicki Minaj's husband.
Okay, we're killing Nicki Minaj's husband. We're totally gonna marry Nas and make love for a good time. I mean, hey.
You want to just list all her ex-boyfriends? You see what I did there? Yeah. Love Nicki. Don't play with her though.
Yeah.
I have eyelash. No, you have hair glue.
I I do.
I have to. No, I don't want hair glue. I'll cry.
You're wildin'. Hair glue is the best. Hair glue is the best glue. Okay. Next one up. I have a hair. I be forgetting who's a celebrity. Like
Me too. That's why
I'm trying to think. It's like I'm a celebrity in my head.
Yeah, it took me a long time to remember everyone else's names.
Let's think. Okay. Safari.
Well, killing him off rip. I don't care what.
Safari, Jim Jones, Cameron.
Mary and Cameron. I don't see any woman going safari crazy.
Like, oh my God,
Safari! No. All right. Okay. Charlemagne, Kanye, Ice-T.
Charlemagne. Okay, we're killing Charlemagne.
Yeah.
We are going to.
Ew, Ice-T, bro? You bugging out. Marry Kanye. I'm marrying Kanye.
Kanye's kind of.
No, he's not. He's actually very
Okay, I'm marrying Kanye.
I would marry Kanye.
I'm marrying Kanye. I'm killing Charlemagne, and that mean Ice-T.
Ice-T gotta what you gonna do with him? Fuck him?
If I don't, I would have to bang Charlemagne. I don't want to do that.
I don't.
Every single time I wonder why you last.
You have what bronzer did you use?
Hula.
Can I see that? I want to try her one day.
So that is basically it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.